Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Suruchi Mehtas. As I have told you all earlier that I will be doing review and unboxing of some great products. So yeah, I have come with this amazing product from Wake. This is a drawing pen tablet and its model is A50 Wake drawing tablet. So this product is useful for an architect, a graphic designer, an illustrator, or drawing is just your hobby, then you can buy this product definitely. So let's get started with its unboxing and review, and in last I will tell you whether you should buy this product or not, and also I will be giving this product 5 out of 5 rating. So let's see how much rating I give to this product. Yeah, let's get started. Wake A50 is designed specifically in such a way that it has studied all the parameters that are related to digital designing and drawing. It can be seen from super convenient drawing pen to the high defined output on the computer screen. It brings out the best in all of them. Wake worked hard on both the hardware and the software of the device. Is built to bring about an extraordinary output in any computer that comes with a good graphics architecture interface. The Wake A50 delivers or focuses on the following 3 main features, which also serve to be the features which makes the device unique from other such products. Wake A50 Screen. The screen of this device is user-friendly. Initially, I was cautious or concerned about placing hands on the screen and working on it, but when I started working on it, it just feels like I am working on a regular pen and paper. My hands got set within 10 minutes of working on this tablet. Now, talking about its display, the drawing area on tablet provides enough space to create a good output. The work area or the drawing area is 10 inches along the diagonal, and this means there is enough room for the user to move around his arms throughout the place of the screen. The pressure sensitivity of Wake A50 is 8192. It has a graphical clarity of 5080 LPI lines per inch. Lines per inch is similar to the pixels in the digital image. The more lines per inch, the higher the resolution and clarity of the picture. Now coming back to Wake drawing tablet, it has responding speed of 250 point per second, which means it picks up 250 points from the line or a curve drawn on its screen in 1 second. This is almost like a real-time drawing. The strokes are at the display of the device at the same time we draw it on the monitor. The screen of Wake drawing tablet has multiple keys at their sides. These buttons act as shortcut keys effectively replaces the use of the keyboard. Wake A50 pen. The drawing pen comes with a rigid body which is comfortable in fingers. In this way, you feel like carrying a regular pencil, making you believe that it's not an electronic device, which means we don't have to put battery or charge it. Now, coming to the conclusion. The Wake drawing tablet looks very expensive and has all features which a most of expensive tablets has. So, I personally recommend you all not to buy other expensive tablets because Wake drawing tablet has got all features with supreme quality. It is very easy and simple stylus. Its advanced electronic and digital features cannot be skipped. It holds few clickable buttons that are provided to carry out specific but also essential operations. These buttons serve the purpose of the right and left clicks, which is in the mouse. Each customized click of the button performs some unique operation. So, I would suggest you all to buy Wake A50 tablet if you are a professional or just beginning your career in as an illustrator, or you are an architect, or you want to do some drawing as drawing is your hobby. Thank you. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any problem regarding this product, then you can ask in comment section below and I'll answer everyone. Yeah, this is Wake A50 pen tablet. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share.